Purchasing a power strip might seem straightforward, but making the wrong choice can leave your valuable gadgets vulnerable to dangerous surges. Today, we'll compare 5 top-rated Amazon power strips that promise safety and convenience for your home and office. From surge protection to multiple outlets, we've got you covered. Stay tuned, because our top pick offers exceptional features that could change the way you power your devices forever. Remember, the links to every product are in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Surge Protector Power Strip. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Surge Protector Power Strip. This unit is designed with 6 outlets and built-in surge protection, making it perfect for users who want a reliable option for their home office setup. It accommodates various devices, ranging from laptops to printers, ensuring you have ample outlets without compromising safety. One notable strength is its compact design, which allows it to fit seamlessly on any desk or work surface. However, it does have a slightly shorter cord length, which might limit placement options in larger spaces. SUPERDANNY Power Strip Surge Protector. At number 4, we have the SUPERDANNY Power Strip Surge Protector. This powerhouse offers 12 outlets and features a 3-foot extension cord, providing flexibility for larger rooms or multiple devices. It's perfect for gamers or home theaters where multiple electronic devices need protection. The built-in smart USB ports offer fast charging options, which is a significant advantage for those who rely on mobile devices. On the downside, the size of the power strip can be a bit bulky for limited spaces, but its functionality greatly outweighs this minor inconvenience. Belkin 12 Outlet Surge Protector Power Strip W12AC. Ranked 3rd is the Belkin 12 Outlet Surge Protector Power Strip. With 12 AC outlets, this robust model is perfect for families or home offices with lots of electronic devices. Its unique design includes a 4,320 joules rating, which means it can handle larger surges without compromising safety. The long 8-foot cord is ideal for reaching distant outlets, while its flat plug design helps to save space and prevent blockage of other outlets. The only drawback is that it may be overkill for users with few devices, making it a bit more expensive than simpler models. Anker Prime Charging Station. Coming in at number 2 is the Anker Prime Charging Station. This powerful charging solution features 6 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, catering to both standard and fast charging needs. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts or anyone who has several gadgets that require frequent charging, making it great for home offices or shared spaces. The compact design maximizes space, while the durable build ensures longevity. However, some users may find the lack of surge protection a drawback, so it's essential to consider your specific needs. Buy 2-pack 6-outlet Surge Protector. Finally, our top choice is the 2-pack 6-outlet Surge Protector. This set is ideal for those who want to equip multiple rooms or workspaces without spending a fortune. Each strip features 6 surge-protected outlets and a slim design that can easily fit behind furniture or in tight spots. Users rave about its reliability and performance, making it a favorite for families and professionals alike. The only minor downside is that the cord could be longer, but overall, it's an exceptional value and performance combo for anyone looking to enhance their power solutions. Thanks for watching our breakdown of the top 5 power strips available in 2026. Whether you need extra outlets, surge protection, or fast charging options, These selections ensure that you can protect your devices while enjoying everyday convenience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out the links to all the products in the description below and subscribe for more insightful guides and comparisons.